To auto set always on display to show always when theater mode is on in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode screen, tap theater. Next, tap change setting, tap always on display. Under display mode section, select show always, tap done button, and then tap done button again to save the change. By doing this, now when the theater mode is active, your phone will enable always on display feature and you show always as its display mode, which means the always on display will always show clock and notification. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.